There's some guy yelling about trusting him, and he'll be there in a second.
Wave mother, queen of the
And there's
depths,
some
hear
alcohol.
Please
notice you're not
carry Holly
taking.
to her final rest in
I
the
didn't loot
deep
them.
wilds. Please.
Alright.
Sorry. Are you
Now who
here
you
for Wave
talking
Servant
to?
Holly's funeral? Oh, it's already started. They're just inside.
Taken die Morestelia.
No. All are welcome to come and celebrate the life of the fallen Wave Servant. May the Wave Mother smile on you as she did Holly.
Okay, so a wave servant died. Her name was Holly.
I thought it wise to make an offering to the Sea Queen before sailing out tomorrow.
This guy's name is Dilgar Sneeze.
Sorry, mate. No time
Sorry,
to
this
chat.
lady's woman's name is
Just here to make
Dilgar
an offering,
Sneeze.
then leave.
The singing is about the funeral.
The celebration is in the main chamber. Praise Umberlee!
They're all servants of Umberlee.